How to become rich from poor background. I will explain step by step how to achieve financial success. The first step is to set aside advice from financial advisors who haven't proven their wealth. Instead, focus on practical strategies that can be applied immediately. Increase your income. Income is the most important element in wealth creation. Forget the advice that only focuses on cutting expenses. By increasing your income, you can save more effectively, which is far more impactful than merely reducing expenses. However, if your expenses still exceed your income, this indicates an issue with self-discipline or ego. Acknowledge your financial situation honestly, then work on increasing your value in the marketplace. Deliver exceptional results in your job or business, so others will recognize your worth and reward you with higher pay. Income has limitless potential. It can reach tens or even hundreds of millions of dollars per year. Reduce expenses and avoid debt. Avoid all kinds of debt, including mortgages or car loans, as these can drain your financial energy. Don't get caught up in the belief that owning a house is the foundation of wealth. Instead, consider renting a place to live, as this offers flexibility and doesn't tie up your financial resources. Focus on building savings and maintaining highly liquid assets. These savings act as your financial energy reserves, providing stability even in unforeseen circumstances, such as job loss. Build a strong financial foundation. A financial foundation isn't about owning physical assets like a house, but rather having substantial liquid savings. For example, aim to have enough savings to cover 2 to 5 years of living expenses. This financial cushion ensures you remain stable during unexpected events, like layoffs or economic downturns. Channel your financial energy into investments. Once you've built a solid foundation, start investing your financial energy. However, investments should be made with focus. Choose one area that aligns with your interests and expertise, such as stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency. Avoid over-diversifying your assets, as this can dilute potential returns. With a strong foundation, you can afford to take higher risks on specific investments without jeopardizing your financial stability. Concentrate on your chosen sector. Focus is crucial. Direct your energy toward 1 or 2 high-potential assets. For example, if you see a major opportunity in real estate, focus on properties with undervalued market prices but significant growth potential. Similarly, if you're investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies, select assets you deeply understand and believe in. By following these steps, increasing income, reducing expenses, building a strong financial foundation, channeling energy into investments, and concentrating on a chosen sector, you can systematically and sustainably create wealth.